This is the final video to solve frequent BSOD Blue Screen crashes on your 2019 MacBook Pro. After dealing with these system interruptions myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. We'll tackle the persistent BSOD Blue Screen crashes on MacBook Pro 2019 by addressing the core reasons behind these failures. Method 1 focuses on ensuring your system's software is current and that core hardware controllers are reset, clearing out temporary glitches that can cause instability. Method 2 delves into analyzing the system's diagnostic data and verifying the integrity of critical storage and memory components, which are common culprits for unexpected shutdowns. Method 3 involves a thorough hardware inspection, making sure all physical connections are secure and that the system's cooling is optimal, preventing overheating-induced errors. Finally, Method 4 combines software resilience checks with hardware diagnostics to pinpoint and resolve any remaining issues, ensuring a stable operating environment.